Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about core tenet number 2, and that is tagging within Redbubble. So whenever you create a design, there are groups of people who find your design by simply typing in something here in the search and finding your design. For example, if I search for American flag, okay, and wait for that to pop up, we can see here that indeed there is an American flag, right? There are images of the American flag. Let's say I selected this one. Well, the reason why I selected this one is because, well, it showed up, it caught my interest, and I decided to click on it, okay? But how did this one pop up? A lot of people get it confused and they think that the word American flag has to appear in the title, and that's not true at all. The core tenet here is that the word American flag, or, American and then flag separately, is somewhere in these tags. And we actually could see the tag right here, American flag. And that's exactly why the product pops up. So what you're going to take away from this core tenet is that if you want to succeed on Redbubble, if you want to get some traffic on Redbubble from the Redbubble search, is on your tags, add exactly what words represent the product so that if somebody decides to search for it and they find your product, that they actually would likely click on it, right? If I'm searching for American flag, how likely is it that I want to see a picture of a goat, for example? The answer is not likely, right? I want to see pictures of only American flags. So if you have something that relates to your design, a keyword that relates to your design, add that, because that's the only keywords that should be in the tags. And understanding that that's the second core tenet. The strategy behind how you tag dictates who sees your designs and what keywords that it's going to pop up for. And if it pops up for keywords that it just doesn't fit for, you're not going to make any money. And that's one of the second things that's the most important thing when it comes down to Redbubble, okay?